around. So guys, I was starring. As you can see here, this night I was eating bhajia. That is an African type of recipe that is cooked with potato, flour, and some food color, yellow food color. And after cooking with it, I was drinking with a pineapple juice, fresh pineapple juice blended. I was really enjoying and feeling the breeze as they said it was at night. And now this is where I was beginning by washing. What you do on this. So these are potatoes. I had to add some water since the potato come from the ground. They are always having a lot of soil, they are dirty. So what you do is that you have to wash them first. I tried squeezing and washing them and pouring that water first, and then I had to pour the water so that I can go ahead and boil my potatoes. I normally boil my potatoes with the potato, the outer layer. So I covered it with the, and then I had to put it on fire for it to boil and boil and boil to be soft. So we will boil them. When it's ready, we cook. It's okay. This is a food color. It's yellow. Okay, it's yellow. This is salt that you're going to add to taste. We also have our flour and water. So we start by putting water. Putting salt. Salt, putting salt, we add in the food color, then we add in the flour. sound. Yeah, no. Hai, sasa nataka tuzungu. Hivyo viazi shela sasa tunapika tu fast. Sasa hivi utasikia nimemaliza. It's okay now. Next. Hiyo lighting unaiwekaje? Unaweka vizuri. Alafu utachukua kidogo. Pika hapo.